Let's start out with the Honda RC213V at Iconic Motorbikes with the asking price of $253,000. This particular bike is number 178. Next up is another bike from Iconic Motorbikes. It's the Desmosedici, number 616. No selling price on this one as it's at auction right now, but they always sell for over $50,000. Next up is also at auction at Iconic Motorbikes. It's the Honda NR750, the concept bike that Honda actually made. It's an oval piston bike. If you look at it real close, you can see a lot of the styling that Ducati used for the 916. The NR750s always sell for over $100,000 US. Next up at auction at Iconic Motorbikes is the Harley VR1000. Harley's race bike. No frills, just for racing. They produced about 50 of these, and they hardly ever come up for sale, always selling for over $100,000. The motor in this ended up being what they used for the V-Rod. Really cool that Harley-Davidson built this bike to take on the major manufacturers in road racing. And the paint job is just outrageous, with one side being orange and the other side being black. Next is a bike that showed up on eBay. It's a Muzzy Raptor, which is based off the ZX7. These bikes are really special. Back in the day, you used to buy one at a Kawasaki dealership and they would send it off to Rob Muzzy to have him do all the modifications. There was a couple different packages you could choose from, one being really outrageous to the other one being more of a super sport model. This one seems to be more of the super sport model, and he's got an asking price of $21,000. This Bimota was found at Cars and Classics for 58,000 euros. This was Bimota's attempt to build a street bike that was a MotoGP bike with a 500cc two-stroke motor.